Hi everyone, it's Michael from MDO Video. I'm here today to show y'all some HVAC control board wiring. This is the outdoor unit control wiring for the outdoor unit. This is for the indoor air handler unit wiring. I've got a little thing that I need to show y'all that I need to get fixed here. Basically, I've got the thermostat on cooling right now. The indoor fan is on, the outdoor fan is on, and the compressor and outdoor is on. Now I'm going to turn the thermostat to heat. It's off. I'm going to turn it to heat. And it should come on. That's our heat relay on the top. Yep, there it goes. Right there, that is our heat relay. Okay. Then we got our indoor fan relay. Now, I don't know if you'll notice, but the indoor fan is not on, and it's supposed to be on with the heat. That heat, if that's on, you're not going to get any warm air blowing throughout the house if that indoor fan's not on. So basically what we got here, now these are all low voltage wires, so let me pull these out here and show y'all what we got. Let me show y'all here what we got here. Pull the browns out. Okay, so what we got here is we got this is our green wire for our indoor fan, and this is our heat relay wire. What we're going to do here is we're going to put just use a regular three-way switch here. Okay, we're going to use a three-way switch for this, which actually I've got a couple of three-way switches that we're going to use here, but let me see if I can find that three-way switch. What the heck did I do with it? Webcon Pro three-way. Come on, where is it? Here it is. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Alright, let me cut those wires and we will be rocking and rolling. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to put a three-way switch in here, because what we've got to do here is we've got to switch so that the indoor fan and the heat are going to go on our traveler wires, okay? The common is going to be the, oh shoot, indoor fan, shoot. Yeah, we got to fix that. The common is going to be our indoor fan. Yeah, common's going to be our indoor fan. So what we're going to do here, we're going to take our indoor fan wire, which is our green one. Let me move this so that y'all can see. Okay, this is our indoor fan wire. This big green wire here is what's going to our indoor fan relay. So what I'm going to do here is, let me get my wire cutters. Where did I put them? Where did I put my wire cutters? Oh, crap. Okay, so basically, it's going to work like this. Yeah, it's going to work like this. We're going to have... this is going to be, I think... I kind of know now how I'm going to do this. We might need two three-way switches. We got a wire coming in here and a wire coming in here. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to kill power to the unit, because to the board, because I do not want it on right now. So that's off, and the other unit is off too. So we should be okay. Alright, we should be okay now. Oh, yeah, we still have light. Okay, we should be okay now. Okay. Yeah, we should be okay. Now, I'm not sure yet if this is going to work. And then we need a green one. Yep, there it goes. It's cooling off now. Okay. Okay, y'all. Let me get my lineman's pliers. And then we'll get this baby fixed. Get this thingy fixed, this board fixed. Okay. I don't know why we have 3 white wires on here. Alright, this one here we don't need. This other one here is going to our outdoor unit. And we don't need it right now, so what we're going to do is we're just going to cap it off. Because we don't need that one right now. That one there goes to our outdoor unit. So now all we got now is another white. Now let me see if I got another blue connector that we can use, because that's what we need, is a blue connector. Oh crap. I really hope I got one, because if I don't, I'm going to be in a lot of trouble. Ow. Daggone glass. Forgot there was broken glass in there. Okay. Let's do this here. Okay. Yeah, this is gonna be, video might be in 2 parts. That one now. Now the heat, what we're going to do here is going to be a little bit different. Let me get some screws in here, and we'll be pretty good with this. Okay. Alright, I'm going to flip that unit on in just a minute. Let me get it screwed in. Okay. Now our indoor fan should come on. If it doesn't... Okay, indoor fan's on. Indoor fan's on. Yes, it works! Our heat's on and our indoor fan is on. Now, wait a minute now. Oh, shoot. Yeah, wait. What about a... Oh, shit. Never mind. Excuse me, y'all. I'm gonna turn it to cooling now. Why did it not... Why did the fan not shut off? Why did it not... There we go. That's why. I gotta put the fan... Switch it. Yeah, I gotta put a relay on there, but other than that, it's working. Air conditioning's on now. The heat should shut off. If the heat shuts off and the fan goes off, I'm gonna have to pull it apart again and see if I can fix it. Alright, it's on.